Film is a production company established in 2015, and its main focus is work on international co-productions. We're working mainly on feature film projects, and until now we finished more than 10 projects already. I'm using the media support for attending the workshops. I did 3 workshops in Eric Pommer Institute, and last year I did IAVE Producers Workshop. The experience was overwhelming and very, very good, and now I think I have a network of co-producers that I can do anything, any kind, any scale of projects together. The IAVE workshop gave me the first push to even consider the application for media support. It was our first time, and we get selected. What the application did to us, it was like a first reality check. It was the first time that we were really thinking about the marketing for the project, about the distribution of the project, about the possible co-productions of the project. So it was not only the financial input, it was also the strategical input for the project. What it means to us is basically it means not cutting the corners or doing any shortcuts. We are going to properly develop the project. So the means that we are going to have will be used for location scouting in Croatia. It's going to be much deeper casting in Germany. Respect, door opening, and reality check.